Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change an image on your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your page, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. Have your mouse over the site you want to edit and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once you're here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen and then you're going to find all of these sections. And in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So go ahead and click on edit site and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So just wait for this tab to load. This is basically going to be the editor for your Wix site. Once you're here, just go to the page you want to change or the image you want to change. Give it a click and then go ahead and click on change background and then just choose the image. Click on image, for example, right here. And then you can choose an image from your gallery. You can upload media. For example, I'm going to click on upload media and then you can choose an image from your computer and add this right here. And once you add it, just click on change background. Then the image will be easily changed. Once you finish, click on publish and then your site will go live. You can also add an image by clicking on add element and then going to image and click on upload image. And then you can add an image from here. And after that, click on add to page and the image will be added to your site. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.